Zyvit is a multivitamin product that is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency. It is often used in cases of poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are essential for the body and help maintain good health. It is recommended to take Zyvit as directed by a healthcare professional to ensure the proper daily dosage. It is best to take Zyvit at the same time each day to help maintain consistent levels of vitamins in the body. When taking Zyvit, it is recommended to take it by mouth, usually once daily or as directed by your doctor. It's important to follow all the directions on the product package and not to exceed the recommended dosage. If you have any questions, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. To get the most benefit from Zyvit, it's important to take it regularly and at the same time each day to help you remember. This will ensure that you are getting the optimal benefits from this medication. Some common side effects of Zyvit include constipation, diarrhea, or upset stomach. These effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the medication. If these effects persist or worsen, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed Zyvit, it means that they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. While a severe allergic reaction to Zyvit is rare, seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not an exhaustive list of potential side effects, so if you experience any other effects not mentioned here, consult your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. It's crucial to keep multivitamins containing iron out of the reach of children, as accidental overdose of iron-containing products is a leading cause of fatal poisoning in young children. If an overdose does occur, it's important to seek medical help immediately or contact a poison control center. Before taking Zyvit, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies to its ingredients or to soy/peanut, as some brands may contain these. It's also important to inform them about your medical history, especially if you have a history of alcohol abuse, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal problems such as ulcer or colitis. If your Zyvit brand also contains folic acid, it's essential to inform your doctor if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency, pernicious anemia, before taking it, as folic acid may affect certain lab tests for vitamin B12 deficiency without treating the anemia. Untreated vitamin B12 deficiency may result in serious nerve problems such as peripheral neuropathy. Before undergoing any surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, it's important to discuss with your doctor before using Zyvit, as well as if you are breastfeeding, as this medication can pass into breast milk. When taking Zyvit, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. This means that the way your medications work could be affected, or you may be at a higher risk for serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. If your multivitamin contains iron, it's best to avoid taking it at the same time as antacids, bisphosphonates, levodopa, thyroid medications, or certain antibiotics. It's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist to determine how long you should wait between doses and to find a dosing schedule that works with all your medications. Additionally, if your multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you take certain anti-seizure drugs. Lastly, it's important to note that Zyvit may interfere with certain lab tests, which could potentially cause false results. It's essential to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are taking this medication. As for the best time to take Zyvit and the optimal daily dosage, it's recommended to follow the instructions provided by your doctor or pharmacist. If someone has taken too much Zyvit and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to call for emergency help. In the US, you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can reach out to a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Always seek medical assistance if you suspect an overdose of Zyvit. It's important to keep all medical and lab appointments when taking Zyvit. Some brands may also contain ingredients such as dosage, so it's a good idea to ask your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions about the ingredients in your specific brand. Remember, Zyvit is not a substitute for a proper diet. It's best to get your vitamins from healthy foods, so be sure to maintain a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary guidelines as directed by your doctor. And as always, if you have any concerns or questions about taking Zyvit, don't hesitate to consult your healthcare provider. If you are prescribed Zyvit and miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it is close to the time of your next dose, then just skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It is important to store Zyvit at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Be sure to keep it out of the bathroom and out of reach of children and pets. When it comes time to dispose of Zyvit, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.